Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Say that the guy, whether they call Ijele, which is Udele, they say don't talk or make sure we don't know put leg for inside Owerri. Say he go buy am if he come Owerri. If I think go cut him head, put. For those of you who never watch the video, I bet may you watch the video. Asadu Dokubo don't agree, saying they do jihadists. In fact, him be terrorists for Alibo and for entire Nigeria. We'll play the videos more and watch as it they go. Stay
Come
tuned.
and
Now
match
watch
it
the
in
videos.
Imo State and see if we will not put the same program, but now it will be victims of Nnamdi Kanu. I dare Sowore to come and lead it in Owerri. If he dey alive, go make I hug myself. You dey hear me? I'm saying it openly. I am daring Sowore to come and do this match in Imo State. See if I will not bring out the same victims of Nnamdi Kanu and match. Maybe useless set of people. Una no get shame, like una no the fear. People are still crying, mourning for their family members that these people buy. And the person responsible for it is the person for whom you want to come. Beyond match here nowhere. I do it like this. So come and match it in nowhere. Biagodun, like let us test. Akuno chori sinunu chori test. Ndi mwe power na anibu. Ndi bianti godun ya Imo State. I am daring you people. Put it in Imo State and come and match it. Let me see. Obu no zunu obara. IG obara Sadi State man obohom. Call your eye pencil. B44. The rest of them. I say, make ona come do your Nnamdi Kanu matching for Owerri. This one we me dey. Jano match go there no Owerri here. Umuewu. Come and match it in Owerri na. Or ibiakwa na on social media na akana akochakwara nke onu. Akana akochakwara nke onu. Come and match it in Owerri. No, critics news, they are not destabilizing any about people want it. You dey hear me? About people want it. So let them be doing it there. Are you understanding me? About people actually want it. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. The Abia State governor doesn't care. If he did, why would those people be in Umochi LGA? Go to Umochi and see what is going on there. Go to Umochi in Abia State and see what's going on. What Innocent Oji and co were doing in Ohofia then, times 5 wars of it is happening in Umochi local government. Are you telling me that Alex Oti is not seeing it? Are you telling me Alex Oti is not hearing it? Are you telling me that Alex Oti is not aware of what is happening in Lokpanta? In Agwam na Alex Oti amaghị na-eme na Lokpanta. Anoreba na support ihe ọjọọ. Keeping quiet, you know, they'll be discussing it as if there is anything political about it. No, this is criminality. This is criminality. You Oshika Haji this thing is. Okay? Oshika Haji this thing is because it's politically expedient in other states. In Abia State. That's why they are doing like this. We are waiting for them to activate these remaining bingos for 2027. Like Mebuhunu. If on no collect. Because ultimately, this is just for election purposes. Okay? Since Alex Oti wants this, let it be for him and let it be for his state. Let it be for him and let it be in Abia State. To welcome to Imo State. It was said there. Okay? Here, routine and welcome to Imo State. It was that rubbish there. Are you understanding me now? Wasanu that rubbish in Abia State. Unu zuzugide ruo na Abia State. Unu edebi ya die. Onye me eriri ya rute n'Imo State. Aigwo ya ara. If you carry your madness into Imo State, we go cure your craze. Of course, Sowore is using them to catch crews. Will Sowore say he doesn't know the evil these people have committed? In fact, Nnamdi Kanu's trial, they even read Sahara Reporter's article into the judgment. So what is he telling us now? That he doesn't know what these people have been doing, or he didn't know that Nnamdi Kanu is a criminal? Oh, they buy your cousin in Aba. Just imagine. One of the ESN leaders is living at Okigwe Road. Okigwe Road is as popular as Uguta Road in Onitsha. Okay? Okigwe Road is a popular place. Let me block one also. Your Ibudinegi is biting more than it can chew. Who? You people. Unundi Biafra. Tab of wood nonsense. But trailer. Man. When you see JJG trailer wage, what will you do? Ndoshi. Criminals. What exactly would you do? Can you no get moon maybe? The innocent people now they find soft targets. Una no say me I know soft now. My brother, I could one day let them march to Sokoto. If they were marching this thing in Sokoto where Nnamdi Kanu is, me I no go get problem. Me I no go get problem. Let them go take this thing to Sokoto. This is where Nnamdi. In fact, this is why many of us wanted him to be in the far north. So you people will go and show your formidable there. Useless people. They will touch him. They cannot jail him. Ijele go near Guinea. They don't jail and waiting shop. Nothing. Akwa no sufu ani gba ku nnoko eme mkpotu. Obe odie akwa azu akadi ho na mmiri. Azu na ezuzu ọ na mmiri ya gwa mu nu iberibu na carry her southeast. Or carry her southeast. Because we are tolerating this rubbish. It's high time we stopped treating these people with kid gloves and use bare knuckle. They need a bare knuckle treatment. Unenwe hegu in abe march bukwe no ngunu. Sowore Nnamdi Kanu said Ondo is part of Biafra. Say na where then they tie two rapper. Then they tie two rapper for Ondo State. Please. Why don't you take this match into Ondo State? I be no follow for Biafra. Omoyele Sowore, I'm asking you, why don't you take this match since you love it so much? Since you love it so much, why don't you match it in Ondo State? Your own region will be at peace. See Sunday Igboho. Yoruba elders show and pepper now even the way I show to cap pass me. This one say if you are how much are you going to bet, and you will see me in a banner. If you are even using a fake account, let me block you. Come with your real account self. Talk and see if this weekend you go die alive. No, come and threaten me with your real account. You know who the fuck your mama. Now why if you want to talk to them, you go hide under fake account? Come and talk it with your real account. You know you go pa. One panther. Puta weri here na gikwe kema mama agaghị egbugo to agbuo ndị bụ nga moko na omumere enwekwu onye ụjọ ga-ekwekwu optim. I will put you where they are putting the victims of ESN. You will go and meet them there. Ndoshi. Criminals. And for those of you that are still confused about Sowore, his activism, if you are not blaming the federal government, forget it. He doesn't care about you. If you are not blaming Tinubu, APC, all his enemies for the evil individuals are doing, then he will not activate for you. No activism for you. And is this how we are going to fix the country? You see why I've been telling you people, nobody should come here an activist. Nobody.
Amadu.
Nobody. Which activist? Do you have activists in Nigeria? Doshi. Always looking for where to create chaos. Finished.
But like I said, you call me a jihadist. I am. My name is Mujahid. He who carries out jihad. That's what it means in Arabic. That's the name I adopted. Listen to me very well. I'm an Islamist. Yes, I am. I'm a Muslim. Yes, I am. No apology. No fear.
My people, make una share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. You don't read. My people, don't forget to see there for Balabas gist. As you dey watch, make sure you share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section so that other people go to get the information. And follow all our social media handles. We're there everywhere. Stay tuned for more updates.